How to accept friend request on IMO. Wondering where all your new friend requests are hiding on IMO? Let's go find them together. First thing first, let's open the IMO. You can see my IMO right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. So here you can see my chat section, and on the chat section I have got one message from my friend. So to your kind information, there is no any other options or the icon that says accept the friend request on the IMO. However, how you can accept the friend request is simply replying the message of your friend. For example, my friend Preeti Lama have sent me the message. Now how you can accept the message is simply tap on the chat and reply to them. You can just add the remark and save. And if you don't want to continue, you can simply go outside and tap on this and delete the chat history, or you can just mute them out. So that's the way that you can accept the friend request on IMO. However, as I said earlier, there is no icon or option that directly says add new friends in the IMO. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.